Yo, what's up everybody, it's Satya Maurya back with another video, and today we're talking about Twitter growth. How to level up your game and get your content seen by more people. Now if you've been grinding it out on Twitter, you know it can be a tough nut to crack. Building a following takes time, consistency, and let's be real, a little bit of strategy. That's where Twitter SMM panels come in. They're like this secret weapon that not everyone knows about. We're gonna unpack exactly what they are, how they work, and why they might just be the key to unlocking massive growth on Twitter. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro looking to take things to the next level, this video is for you. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the world of Twitter SMM panels. First up, let's talk about followers. You know the drill? A strong follower count gives you that instant credibility. When people see you've got a lot of followers, they're more likely to take you seriously, check out your content, and hop on the bandwagon. But building a genuine following takes time, right? That's where Get My Likes comes in. Their Twitter followers plans give you that initial boost, connecting you with real, engaged users who are actually interested in what you have to say. No bots, no fake accounts, just real people who can help you grow organically. Think of it like this. It's like that extra push you need to get the momentum going. Once you've got a solid base, it's way easier to attract even more followers organically because people see that you're already killing it. Alright, let's talk engagement. Likes are the currency of the internet, and Twitter's no different. When your tweets get a lot of likes, it's a signal to the algorithm that your content is fire. And when the algorithm's happy, it shows your tweets to more people. It's a win-win. But sometimes, even your best tweets need a little love. That's where Get My Likes Twitter Likes service comes in clutch. They give your tweets that initial boost of engagement, making them stand out from the crowd and attracting even more organic likes. It's like that feeling when you post something you're really proud of and it starts racking up the likes. It just feels good, you know? And that's what Get My Likes helps you achieve. Now let's take engagement a step further with comments. You know what's better than a tweet with a bunch of likes? A tweet that's sparking conversations, getting people talking, and building a real community. That's where Get My Likes Twitter comments service comes in. They help you get genuine comments on your posts, which encourages even more interaction and discussion. It's all about creating that buzz around your content. Think about it. When you see a tweet with a ton of comments, you're way more likely to click on it and see what all the fuss is about, right? It's human nature. And that's the power of comments. They draw people in and keep them engaged. Let's talk reach, getting your content seen by as many eyeballs as possible. That's where retweets, or what we now call reposts, come in. They're like word-of-mouth marketing on steroids, amplifying your message and getting it in front of new audiences. Get My Likes Twitter repost service helps you do just that. They get your tweets shared by other users, expanding your reach exponentially. It's like having a whole army of hype people spreading the word about your content. And when your tweets get retweeted, it's not just about reaching new people. It's also about social proof. People trust recommendations from others, so when they see your tweet being shared by someone they follow, they're more likely to check it out and take you seriously. Engagement is key on Twitter, and polls are a great way to boost that. They get people interacting with your content, sharing their opinions, and sparking conversations. But sometimes, your polls need that extra push to gain traction. That's where Get My Likes poll vote service comes in. By giving your polls more votes, you're not just influencing the outcome, you're also making them more visible. People are drawn to polls that already have a lot of votes. It's like social proof that it's worth participating in. Video content is huge on Twitter, but getting those views can be a grind. You spend all this time crafting the perfect video, and you want people to actually see it, right? That's where Get My Likes Twitter view service comes in. They give your videos that initial boost of views, which signals to the algorithm that your content is engaging. And we all know the algorithm loves engagement. When your video has more views, it's more likely to show up in people's recommendations, which means even more organic reach. It's like a snowball effect. The more views you get, the more visible your video becomes. Want to get the attention of big accounts and influencers in your niche? Mentions are the way to do it. When someone with a large following mentions you, it's like getting a shout-out on a massive stage. Get My Likes Twitter. Mentions service connects you with influential users who will mention your account in their tweets. This not only boosts your visibility, but it also adds a ton of credibility to your profile. Think about it. When you see a smaller account being shouted out by someone you already follow and respect, it makes you want to check them out, right? It's like getting a stamp of approval from someone you trust. So there you have it, the rundown of how Get My Likes can help you unlock massive growth on Twitter. Whether you're an influencer trying to build your brand, A business owner looking to reach more customers, or you just want to see your tweets blowing up? Get My Likes has the tools to help you get there. It's all about taking advantage of the power of social media marketing and leveraging these strategies to your advantage. And the best part? Get My Likes makes it super simple and easy to get started. So what are you waiting for? Head over to getmylikes.com and start your journey to Twitter domination today.